We're just taking down the dinghy from the deck of the boat. We got my lovely assistant over here, Malvina. And
what do you mean? I'm doing all the hard work.
She's been guiding the boat down, off, while I have it hoisted by the halyard for the staysail. And I'm just letting it out slowly. We're gonna try and walk it down the dock, and we'll let you watch the dump in the water and see how we do.
Glide right into
glide. Nice, easy glide.
Okay, we got her in. Just a little bit of water.
Forgot the plug, but oh yeah.
And pretty
Deflated a little bit.
deflated.
Hopefully I didn't pop it. Oh.
What?
We did have a fuel line.
Oh.
Just buying one. It was raining earlier.
Oh yeah. Things are looking up.
Not exactly the right pump, but. So after all the hassle of tying all kinds of crazy knots, I found a hoist inside the dinghy that would have helped me connect to 3 points and not have to be so clever getting the dinghy on in the first place. Or getting it off just now.
Thank goodness you're so clever though. Who needs it? Just extra tools.
I'm sure everyone has better ways to do this, but this is what we're figuring out here. Just yeah, that's scary.
All right, we got the dinghy in the water and everything so far. The motor's on.
Sounds okay, but it seems like it also kind of has a mind of its own. I don't know, we'll give you a second here.
And the last time we went on the dinghy with my sister and my brother, it was quite the adventure. Boats were coming in and out, and we were stuck in the middle without a motor, and Connor was tinkering with it, trying to figure it out. So hopefully this goes a little bit better than the first round.
This is a different dinghy and motor, so.
All right, here we go.
This one's better. And in forwards, here we go.
Whee!
Alright. Feels good.
Autopilot's on. Ghost ride the wave. Good to just get off the boat and just enjoy the water. The sun's out. It's not raining on us today. We'll take it.